Welcome to the JRD Solution YouTube channel, where financial education meets real transformation. If you're starting a business or already running one of the most important decisions you will ever make is choosing your business structure. Many entrepreneurs jump into business without understanding the difference between an LLC and a sole proprietorship, and that mistake can cost them money, protection, and long-term growth opportunities. In today's video, we're breaking down LLC versus sole proprietor in a simple, beginner-friendly way so you can understand exactly which one is right for you and your business goals. Because the structure you choose today can shape your financial future tomorrow. Number 1. What is a sole proprietorship? Let's start with the simplest business structure, the sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship is a business owned and operated by one person without a separate legal entity. This means the business and the owner are legally the same. It is very easy to start, with minimal paperwork and low setup cost. Many freelancers, small service providers, and side hustlers begin this way because it requires no formal registration in many cases. However, the simplicity comes with limitations. Because there is no legal separation between you and your business, you are personally responsible for all debts, liabilities, and legal issues. That means if your business faces financial problems, your personal assets may also be at risk. So, while it is easy to start, it may not offer strong protection. Number 2. What is an LLC? Now, let's talk about an LLC, or limited liability company. An LLC is a legal business structure that separates your personal identity from your business. This separation is very important. It means your personal assets, like your home, car, and personal savings, are generally protected from business debts and legal issues. An LLC also adds credibility to your business. Lenders, banks, vendors, and clients often view LLCs as more professional and trustworthy compared to sole proprietorships. It also provides more flexibility in taxation and business operations depending on your location and setup. In simple terms, an LLC creates a legal shield between you and your business. Number 3. Liability protection difference. One of the biggest differences between LLC and sole proprietorship is liability protection. In a sole proprietorship, there is no separation between personal and business risk. So, if the business owes money or faces a lawsuit, the owner is personally responsible. In contrast, an LLC creates a protective barrier. While not absolute in every situation, it generally helps protect personal assets from business liabilities. This is one of the main reasons many serious entrepreneurs choose to form an LLC as their business grows. As your business scales, risk also increases, and protecting yourself becomes just as important as making profit. Number 4. Tax differences. Another important difference is how taxes are handled. A sole proprietorship is usually taxed as personal income. This means all business profits are reported on the owner's personal tax return. An LLC can offer more flexibility. Depending on how it is structured, it may allow different tax options that can help with planning and optimization. However, tax rules can vary depending on country and regulations, so professional advice is always recommended. What matters most is understanding that business structure can directly affect how much tax you pay and how your income is managed. Proper structure can help you keep more of what you earn and manage your finances more efficiently. Number 5. Credibility and funding impact. Your business structure also impacts credibility. Banks, lenders, and funding institutions often prefer working with registered business entities like LLCs. Why? Because LLCs show that the business is more established, organized, and serious about operations. This can improve your chances of getting business credit, loans, and vendor relationships. On the other hand, sole proprietorships may face more limitations when trying to access larger funding opportunities. This doesn't mean it's impossible, but it may require stronger personal credit and financial history. As your business grows, having the right structure can open more doors for expansion and financial opportunities. Number 6. When to start as sole proprietor versus LLC. So, which one should you choose? If you are just starting out, testing a business idea, or working a small side hustle, a sole proprietorship may be enough in the beginning. It is simple, fast, and low cost. However, as soon as your business starts generating consistent income or carrying financial risk, an LLC becomes a smarter long-term choice. Many entrepreneurs start simple and upgrade later as their business grows. The key is understanding your stage of business. Start simple if you must, but grow with protection and structure in mind. Number 7. Common mistakes entrepreneurs make. Many entrepreneurs make the mistake of not choosing a structure at all. They have operated informally for too long, mixing personal and business finances and delaying legal setup. This can lead to confusion, missed opportunities, and financial risk. Another mistake is assuming structure doesn't matter until later. In reality, structure affects credibility, taxes, funding, and protection from day one. The earlier you understand these differences, the better prepared you are for long-term success. Education in business structure is not just legal knowledge, it is financial strategy. Number 8. How JRD Solution helps. At JRD Solution, we believe financial education is the foundation of business success. Many entrepreneurs are never taught how business structures, credit, taxes, and funding systems actually work. That's why we focus on helping individuals understand financial systems in a simple and practical way. When you understand your business structure, you make better decisions, reduce risk, and position yourself for long-term growth. Education creates confidence, and confidence creates better business decisions. Our mission remains simple: educate, empower, execute. Choosing between an LLC and a sole proprietorship is one of the most important decisions in your business journey. It affects your protection, taxes, credibility, and long-term growth opportunities. Take the time to understand your options and choose wisely based on your goals. If you want more financial education, business strategies, credit knowledge, and wealth-building insights, visit our website today, www.jrdsolution.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the JRD Solution YouTube channel for more powerful business and financial content. Thank you for watching.